If you think $5,000 can only buy you a rusted old hatchback that smells like regret, you're in for a shock. Today, we're looking at used cars that still turn heads, run like a dream, and cost less than a weekend in Vegas if you play your cards wrong. Our criteria is simple. It must be reliable, affordable to fix, and still have something special, whether that's style, comfort, or performance. And yes, we're naming exact model years to help you skip the lemons. Toyota Corolla, the safe bet. It's not flashy, but it's a cockroach in car form. Engines last over 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. In Europe, the Yaris shares the same DNA, cheaper insurance too. Avoid neglected high-mileage ones with no service history. Honda Civic, the all-rounder. Fun, efficient, and tough. Perfect for commuters and first-time owners. Hatchback versions in Europe have better cargo space. US sedans feel more premium. Just watch for rust and cheap aftermarket mods from boy racer owners. Mazda 3. The fun daily driver. Handles like a go-kart, but still practical. 2.0-liter petrol is the sweet spot for reliability. In the snow belt? Check wheel arches and sills for rust. Interior feels sportier than rivals in this price range. Ford Focus Mk2/Mark III. The underdog, cheap, reliable, and better handling than most expect. Stick to manual gearboxes, avoid power shift automatics like the plague. Titanium trim in Europe feels like a mini luxury car. Volkswagen Golf Mk5/Mark VI. The Class Act, solid build, timeless design. Best engine picks, 1.6 petrol or 1.9. TDI, non-DPF in earlier years. Avoid early 1.4 TSI, they're wallet destroyers. Interiors hold up incredibly well even after 15 years. Skoda Octavia. VW quality. Without VW price, huge trunk, dependable mechanics. Go for 1.9 TDI or 1.6 petrol for easy maintenance. Taxi drivers across Europe swear by them for a reason. Toyota Yaris. The city assassin, small, nimble, sips fuel. Almost nothing goes wrong except the occasional worn clutch. Perfect for beginners or city commuters. Lexus LS400/LS430. Luxury that lasts. Smooth V8, whisper quiet ride. Bulletproof reliability if maintained. Avoid air suspension unless you like expensive surprises. BMW 3 Series E46/E90. The driver's choice, sporty handling, premium feel. Cooling systems are the weak point. Budget for replacements. Buy from enthusiasts, not neglectful owners. Volvo S60/V70. The safety tank. Comfortable, well-built, and stylish in its own Swedish way. Turbo 5-cylinder engines sound amazing and last forever with oil changes. Perfect for highway cruising. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211. Executive luxury for pennies, looks far more expensive than it is. Go for the E320 diesel in Europe or E350 petrol in the US for reliability. Rust and electronics can be an issue, so pick carefully. Honda Accord. The balanced legend. Smooth ride, reliable powertrain, timeless design. Ideal for long-term ownership. Transmission fluid changes are a must for automatics. And there you have it. 12 incredible used cars under $5,000 that you'll wish you bought sooner. From reliable daily drivers to luxury bargains, these are proof that a small budget doesn't mean small dreams. Which one would you park in your driveway tomorrow? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more budget car tips, and check out my playlist on cars that will last 300,000 miles. See you in the next one.